When was the last time you had your chimney swept or inspected with a video scan? It's a question often overlooked, but it's of utmost importance. Chimney sweeping is more than just a quaint tradition. It's a crucial task to ensure the safety and efficiency of your home's ventilation system, including your fireplace or wood stove. When the chimney flues are clean and functioning correctly, it efficiently channels smoke and from your fireplace or gases from your boiler or furnace to the outside, keeping your home safe and warm. But when the chimney isn't maintained, it can potentially become a fire or safety hazard. So, what goes into a chimney sweep? It's a meticulous process that involves removing soot, blockages, and built-up creosote from your chimney liner, firebox, smoke chamber, and damper. This process ensures the chimney can do its job effectively. Creosote, a byproduct of burning wood, is a flammable substance that builds up inside your chimney or liner. If it's not removed, it can ignite and cause a chimney fire, a silent but deadly hazard that can devastate your home and endanger your loved ones. But hold on, there's another hidden danger: broken flue tile liners. These cracks and gaps can allow harmful gases from your boiler or furnace to seep into your home, or even spark a house fire from your fireplace. This is where we, at Affordable Chimney Sweeps, come into the picture. Our team of certified, experienced technicians uses state-of-the-art tools and techniques to thoroughly clean and video inspect your chimney internally, making sure there are no blockages, dangerous creosote deposits, or broken flue tiles. We understand your home is your sanctuary, and we're committed to keeping it safe and sound. After our meticulous sweep and inspection, you can cozy up by the fire with peace of mind, knowing you've taken a critical step in preventing potential disasters. Don't wait for the smoke to signal a problem. Be proactive. Regular chimney maintenance is not just a good practice, it's a vital one. Remember, a clean chimney is a safe chimney. Pick up your phone now and dial 88850. Sweep and schedule an appointment with Affordable Chimney Sweeps today. Secure your home, protect your loved ones, and enjoy the warmth of your fireplace, worry-free. Because at Affordable Chimney Sweeps, your safety is our utmost priority.